Well, ABC 10 News is dedicated to answering your questions about the coronavirus vaccine with another week of our special in-depth series, The Rollout. So one issue a lot of people have reached out to us about is the cost of being vaccinated. ABC 10 News reporter Jared Aarons looks into who's paying for what and how that could affect your wallet.
At superstations like this one and other point of distribution sites across San Diego, county officials say they're now vaccinating more than 10,000 people every day, with capacity for more than twice that amount once supply increases. But it's not cheap. While the county hasn't released figures for how much each station costs, they say the money is coming out of the county budget and will be reimbursed by the federal government. That's just for the sites. According to the CDC, the shots, quote, purchased with U.S. taxpayer dollars will be given to the American people at no cost. That means if you can get an appointment at a county site, it won't cost you a thing. But there could be costs if you get the shot at a doctor's office or clinic to cover the costs of administering the vaccine. We checked with some of the largest healthcare providers in San Diego. Both Sharp and Scripps say they will not charge you anything out of pocket for the cost, and they'll bill insurance for all of those other costs. Kaiser told us they won't charge anything to get the vaccine at all. That's all good news if you have insurance. But not everyone does.
We're doing everything we can. We're running hard as long as the vaccines keep flowing.
Fran Butler-Cohen is the CEO of Family Health Centers, a haven for uninsured and low-income San Diegans. Her clinics have already given out thousands of shots without charging for anything.
The response that we were getting was, I was waiting for you guys to get the vaccine. And I think that says it all. They're not comfortable going to these mega vaccination stations.
California Healthcare Foundation estimates there are 216,000 uninsured people in San Diego County. Butler-Cohen says it's important to bring the vaccine to them cost-free, and they plan to offer vaccines at 4 locations across the county starting this week.
They're all valuable and they all reach the people. But I think it's very important to go to where the people are in historic communities in San Diego. That's where they trust their healthcare providers, and we're there for them.
Bottom line, no matter where you get the vaccine, you shouldn't have to pay. Jared Aarons, ABC 10 News.
Now you can check 10news.com for a list of vaccine stations and information on how to get an appointment. We invite you to keep sharing your vaccine stories and experiences with us as well. You can send us an email. There it is. It's tips@10news.com.